Let's suppose that you were able every night to dream any dream you wanted to dream.
Let go.
Hello all, this is Nachiket again, and today it's 25th of July and we are leaving for Dudhsagar trek from Sangli, which is like 500 kilometers from Mumbai. If you don't know, it's currently 7:30 and our train is at 10:30. We are 7 people, 3 are from Pune and 3 are from Sangli, and all set. We have got a poncho with me, then Xeon gimbal, GoPro, power bank and shoes, all set and ready to leave. Bye bye.
सारे भाई सर unbelievable. Currently it's 7:18 and we are done with the photo shoot and everything. ये अभी तक लोग क्या कर रहे हैं यार, चलो। But it took us around 3 hours of walking through this trail to get to this station named Kulem, and we are, I think, going to Madgaon to eat something, and then we'll board a train from Madgaon to Sangli. Let's see. So I'm going to end the vlog here. So do like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.